Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Here we continue our series with equations of straight lines, and we're looking now at some miscellaneous problems. So, we have lines A and B which are parallel, and it says the line A passes through the point 0, 8. And we also know that the line B has equation y equals 3x plus 1. So what they've essentially told us here is by telling us that the line B has equation y equals 3x plus 1, we gather that the gradient is equal to 3. And then, if we know that the gradient is 3, and the other equation is parallel to B, then we know that its equation is also going to have the format y equals 3x plus something. So let me just write down that for A, the equation is y equals mx plus c. And in particular, because we know it's parallel to B and B has a gradient of 3, then our equation A is also going to have a gradient of 3. So that's y equals 3x plus c. And because it goes through the point 0, 8, they've told us that the y-intercept essentially is 8. Because remember, on the y-axis, x is always 0. So we have that that's y equals 3x plus 8. Let's go on to the next question. We have that a straight line, L, passes through the points 0, 6 and 4 minus 2. A straight line M passes through the point 0, 1 and is parallel to L. We want to find the equation of M. Well, firstly, what we want to know is to work out the gradient of M because we know it's y-intercept. So our equation has the format y equals mx plus c. We know the y-intercept is 1 because it goes through 0, 1. So y equals mx plus 1. And then to work out the gradient of M, we need to work out the gradient of L because we know that the gradient of M is parallel. So we've got the points 0, 6, and then we've got 4 minus 2. So we've got the change in y goes from 6 down to minus 2. So the change in y is equal to minus 8. The change in x is equal to 4. And the gradient is equal to the change in y over the change in x. And that, just making space, is going to be equal to minus 8 over 4, which is equal to minus 2. And because the gradient of L is minus 2 and M is parallel, well, we know that our thing is also going to have a gradient of minus 2. So we write y equals minus 2x plus 1. So let's write that here just to be clear that that is the final answer. Y equals minus 2x plus 1. That is our final answer. Give us 2 marks. Yeah, that's it. Again, I will go through many, many, many more examples. As many examples as it takes for you to master this topic. So bear with me. Stay tuned. Okay, just trying to close this off.